Birthdays are something that we all girls are really very special about, and we are very excited for the day, right? Be it our husband's birthday or our own birthday, we are very excited as to how we will be celebrating the birthday, what all things we will do, what all things we will cook, how we will plan, and how we will celebrate, how we will decorate, and how what we will wear, and what all things we'll do, and how to make the birthday a very special one. We all are very much stuck in all the different thoughts well in advance, right? So today in this video I'll be sharing a few ideas that will be really of some help to you in planning your birthday. So I really hope that you will find this video helpful, and in this video I'll also share a list of few items that you can purchase, and you can also refer to this list when you are going to plan your birthday. There will be a list of items to purchase, plus also list of items that you can prepare, and list of things that you can do. So yeah, let's begin.
I start by preparing a shopping list first, and side by side I'll also be listing down all the things that I have to do. Later in the video I'll also be sharing my food menu and my dessert menu that I have prepared for the birthday. I'll also be sharing few gift options that I am planning to buy for my husband, and also my surprise plans and decoration plans, including the DIYs for the birthday. This video is all about how to plan your birthday party decoration ideas, the food menu, the shopping list, the groceries, and then also the gift options. So I'll start by preparing a shopping list first. The first item in my shopping list is of course the gift papers, because if you are planning to give any gifts, then of course you'll need some gift papers if you're wrapping it at home. Then I'll also need some crepe papers, ribbons and balloons as per the color theme for the decoration of your party or event. And plus also I'll be needing some candles for the cake, because I have plans to bake the cake at home itself, because during this time of coronavirus and lockdown I'll be baking a cake, so a homemade cake. So for making the homemade cakes, what all groceries I'll need, what all decorating things I'll need, so all those things also I'm writing over here. Maybe I'll need a white color plate for my cake, so I'll also note down that along with the candles. And then I'll have to make a food menu. First I'll make a food menu, and then I can note down what all groceries I have to shop for. I'll be planning for the food menu. Then I may need some flowers for decoration. Then I will also need some fairy lights, and I would need some chart papers. So all these things I'll need. So these were all my birthday shopping list, and as I proceed further in my planning, so maybe I remember some other things, then I would be adding over here. Now after preparing a shopping list, the next thing that needs to be done for planning your birthday is the listing down all the things that needs to be done. So first thing that needs to be done is preparing a cake, of course. So I would be preparing two cakes, one for the 12 o'clock midnight birthday and for the evening main birthday. Next thing that I need to do is dress planning. So what dress I would be wearing, what dress the birthday person would be wearing, all things are there in my planning list. Then after that, the next very important thing is wrapping of gifts, because I am ordering all the gifts online in this lockdown period. I am ordering all the gifts online through Amazon and Flipkart, so I have to wrap all the gifts one by one. Now I've already mentioned gift papers in my shopping list, but yeah, I missed out writing the name labels, because on top of the gift papers I would also need some labels. So I need 5 of them, because I have planned around 5 to 6 of gift items. What all gift I would be gifting, that I would be telling you in later in the video. Now comes another major part of the birthday party. So this is the menu planning. Of course, if your menu is planned, then you end up celebrating a very good birthday. So I have to plan some starters, some mocktails or soup, some main course and a dessert. So these will be the 4 categories of my menu planning, and the detailed menu I'll be sharing later. This one is only the things that I have to do. Now I would be also planning the crockery and the presentation. The presentation, I mean the presentation of my cake and the presentation of my dinner, desserts and starters. How I would be presenting it, on which table, those things I would have to plan.
Next in the birthday planning list comes the birthday gifts. For husband, instead of gifting just one item, I always prefer to gift multiple gifts, around 4 to 5 things, so that it looks a grand thing. Among these, one item would be a major one, and others would be smaller gifts. So for the major one, you can choose a gift that is of his need. Maybe it is a power bank, a hard disk, some speaker, blazer, or anything that he would require. Here I am buying a PP machine, because this is what he requires at the moment. Now buying a BP machine would cost me something around 1000 to 1200 rupees. I have given the purchase link in the description box below. You may check that out. Next, I'll be buying a t-shirt. So buying a full sleeve t-shirt would cost me around 600 to 800 rupees range in, or if I go for online shopping. Next, I plan to gift a bath towel, so this would cost me something around 500 rupees. And next gift, I would be choosing a 1 liter glass water bottles because this is also something that he needs, and this would cost me something around 300 rupees. After that, for me, some chocolates or sweets are a must for the sweet occasion gifting. So I would include his favorite chocolates packs, which is Snickers and dark chocolates. So this would cost me something around 200 rupees each. So now let me just quickly check the totaling, and it comes to a total of 3000 rupees. So that completes my budget. You can plan your budget and choose the gifts accordingly. Now after you have finalized your gifts, then you can count the number of gift papers and labels that you would actually need. And then also you can mention that in the shopping list, because I've already mentioned the gift papers and labels in the shopping list. So just I'll count it and write how many papers I will require. Like I am having 5 gifts, so I'll buy 6 papers. One I would be keeping extra. Now after doing this, we have to plan the most important thing, which is the food menu. So because we're having everything made at home, so the next coming to the food menu, I'll be dividing it and categorizing it into 2 parts. One will be the starters and one will be the main course. So for the starters, I first write down fruits. So fruits I would be serving in a toothpick. Then I wish to prepare some cake pops. Cake pops I will be preparing by cake crumbles. Next I'm writing Oreo balls. So I will be making some Oreo balls, which is very easy to make. Then I will be making some sabudana cutlets because sabudana is my husband's favorite. So I will have to make this. You can choose whatever item is your husband's favorite. Next I am planning to buy some gulab jamun mix. So yeah, and then I'll make some gulab jamun. So yes, I'll add the gulab jamun mix packet in my shopping list so that I'll be able to make some gulab jamun for the birthday. Next in my starters, I write down some roasted tikka and some fries. So this is the French fries. And after that, some fruit mojito with mint and lemon. Then next, coming to the main course, I plan for dal fry, butter naan, noodles, chili chicken. Here I am not adding rice because I plan for noodles and naan only. We prefer that. So you can include fried rice or pulao as well if you prefer that. Then next is salad and also a green chutney of mint. So this completes my main course food menu too. Now moving to the dessert part. Now in my dessert plan, apart from the cake, I would keep some chocolate mousse. Instead of this chocolate mousse, you can also opt to keep some ice cream or maybe some mango cubes. So yeah, this is all of my food menu planning. You can now check and add what all ingredients and groceries you would need to include or add in your shopping list. So this completes all my planning in the gifts menu, shopping list, things to do and all those steps. Apart from these, I have also prepared few more things in my birthday plan, like how I would be decorating the house, how I will be theming it for the birthday. Like I have to make a happy birthday banner, so I have prepared a simple image over here. For this, I would need some chart paper and fairy lights that I have already included in my shopping list. Also, along with the decoration and theme planning, I have even prepared a demo idea as to how I would be giving my husband a surprise at 12 am in the midnight. So I have mentioned all the ideas and details over here so that I don't miss out anything. Further, we are also preparing a family collab video to wish him happy birthday. These are all a part of surprise ideas to make his birthday memorable and special. So this is how I have planned for the birthday, and I'm sure it will be of some help to you. So yeah, that's all for this video, guys. I really hope that you will find these ideas helpful in your planning your birthday in advance. And if you like this video, please hit on the like button, share this video with your friends and family so that they may also be benefited with these ideas. And I'll see you soon in the next video, so keep subscribed. Bye bye.